Hello everyone. So in today's video we'll be looking at how to design a blind nut. So the blind nut is usually used for two main reasons. The first reason is for aesthetic reasons, to cover up the screw, and the second reason is actually for protection the screw. So we usually find them in car wheels. Without further ado, let's jump into the design. So what you're looking at right here is the final results that will be ended up with if you follow this tutorial along. Without further ado, let's jump into creating the part. So go to new, click OK, click on part, and then click on OK. So we'll start by choosing the front plane, go to sketch, and then go to polygons. Let's create the polygon, add in dimensions. From this point to this point should be 10 millimeters. Right, make this vertical, and that's it. And then go to feature, extruded boss, go to mid plane and make it 5. Right, once you're good, click OK. So you should get something like that, and select this top face and go to sketch again, create circle, make it tangent to this line, click on OK, and go to feature. Then go to extruded cut, flip side, add in 50 degrees of draft, and click on OK. Now click on feature and go to mirror, click on the front plane, and you should get a mirror like that. Once you're good, click on OK, then go to top plane and select it. Let's start sketching the top side or the cover of the blind screw. Click on line, click on the center point, and then create an arc that looks like that, and then click OK. The dimensions of these two lines should be equal, and let's add in just one dimension would be sufficient, so it should be 3.8. Should get something like that. Once you're good, click OK, and then go to revolve boss, click on this line, and you should get something that looks like that. Right, so let's create a fillet. Click on fillet, click on this line, make it 0.5. So you should get something like that. Once you're good, click on OK. And now let's add in a hole on this side. Let's go to hole wizard, click on hole, and then ISO, drill size 6 millimeters, and the overall length should be 4.8, and click on position, click on the center point, and then click OK. Once you're good to go, click on OK, and then click on this face again, click on sketch, go to this line, convert entities, and let's create a helix. So the height should be 4.8 as well, and the pitch should be 1 because it's an M6, so the pitch is 1. Keep it clockwise and click OK. Alright, now let's go to top plane, click on it, and just draw the thread profile. So go to polygon again, click on 3-line polygon, and then draw a polygon that would look like this. Alright, make this line vertical, and this point to this point should be coincident. Let's add in a dimension. So the dimension here should be 1. Now let's draft more sketches. One over here, and the distance from this line to this point should be 1 divided by 4, and let's create a center line here and another center line here. Great. Let's create a line here. Make sure that the midpoint of this line is coincident to this. Let's add in a dimension. So the dimension should be 4.125. That's good. Now let's add a 3-point arc. Make it like that. Make this arc with this line tangent and add in an extra line here. Alright, now let's trim entities. Trim these entities and let's trim this one as well. Alright. Let's add in some dimensions just to make it all black. Let's trim this entity here as well. And now let's mirror these entities about this line. Alright, good. Let's trim this entity as well. So it should be good to go. Click on OK. Skip sketch and then go to feature, swift boss, click on this profile and click on this line. And you should get something like that. Now select the top face or top plane and go to rectangle. Just draw something that looks like that. And then go to feature, extruded cut and mid plane again. And just make it long. So you should get something like that. Let's hide this spiral. Change the background, make it white. And apply appearance. Let's go to appearance. Metallic steel. Polished steel. So that was the design of blind knot. Hope you like it and see you on the next one.